Baby, don't be judging my part. It ain't done, okay? It's Jazz or Ariel or Mermaid Girl, whoever I am to you, what's up? Thank you for coming back to our channel for another video, for another banger, for something that hopefully you want to see, period. So today, a Halloween video, a recreation of Ariel, you know, a recreation of a mermaid. If you don't want to accept that I'm Ariel due to the pink hair, baby, I've accepted it, okay? It don't want to be red. I tried everything. Okay, so before we get into this video, don't forget to go and click that subscribe button, girl, and that's period. If you like the way this look and you want to see how I got it or whatever, then keep on watching. There's temporary dye, so that's the red stuff that you see all on my face. Well, this is just as it. It's pink, it's red. I don't know. So you can take this as mermaid tutorial or it's Ariel, but I'm gonna do it like I'm still Ariel. I'm gonna use lipstick to make my eyebrows red. We're just gonna see. Working with a little something. A little something. I hope this isn't terribly ugly. I would definitely recommend just buying a wig that's already red. Oh, child. I did the most for this wig for it to come out like this. Oh, my mirror's over here again, by the way. I'm going in this palette. I'm going in with the red color. So if you really want the color to be covered up, I would suggest using Elmer's glue. It's coming together. I'm gonna keep going. This is funny. I cannot lie. This is really funny right now. I'm definitely gonna have to go in with a thicker concealer than what I normally use. Stop doubting myself, because it ain't gonna start off perfect, clearly. Alright, so I usually use my Fenty Beauty, but I'm just going to go over it with my regular foundation color because it really doesn't matter. Y'all see, like right here is red. I don't even want to talk about it. I've had so many problems trying to get this hair red. Under the sea. This pretty nice. I'm gonna hit my crease with this color. What color is this? Wine Knot, I think. Yeah. Okay, I'm going in with a blending brush that's clean. Just gonna blend that out. And I'm probably gonna add like a tannish color. This tan color is called Super Swanky. It's a little light for me, just to blend the top of it out. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with Purple Majesty in my crease. Now I'm gonna go with Grape Mines, which is this purple right here. Ooh. Well, I'm gonna go for it. Oh, it's time you start using purple. So I look like you got beat up. I want to go ahead and address this. I know something's going on right here with the part. It's really not my fault. I don't know what's going on with this wig, but I'm not trying to make it go a different way from what it's going, because the temporary dye and it's just gonna get on everything, like my hands and stuff, and I'm really not trying to deal with it. Okay, I'm not. I'm gonna blend this out with the brown color because the pink is just too much. There's just too much going on for me. So now, baby, don't be judging my part. It ain't done, okay? Anastasia Beverly Hills Artist Palette. I'm going to go in with that green color. It's called Anaconda. I'm gonna use my finger to put it on my lid. Who is that? I'm gonna go over this with the MAC pigment, and the color is Pink Opal. It's not gonna focus due to my face, but I'm just gonna use my finger again. Tap it on top to give like that, I don't know, seashell appearance maybe. Yeah, I don't really know about that. So I'm gonna go back in with that same brush that I was using and just clean those edges up. The pigment got a little crazy, you feel me? And boom. So I'm going in with the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner, Megaliner, in the color black. Don't worry, we're not done with the eyes. Look at that. Now y'all remember the little beauty tips video? I'm gonna show y'all what's really tea. This is a really good concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, so it should cover it up pretty well. I'm just gonna go right under it. I really kind of hate this wing. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna take it up a notch. Sick of this freaking wig. Seriously. I'm probably gonna be out the frame while I fix my liner, but sorry. Period. Alright guys, so I'm about to go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the color Grind. And on top of that, I'm going to use MAC's Glitter in the color Pink Hologram, because I think that's gonna make it super pretty. I'm going on the lid with this. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the other eye. Maybe this time I can be a little more in frame when I do it daily. I just wanna do. I'm just patting that everywhere that I put the glitter eyeliner. So that's what the eyes look like. I'm gonna wipe this off using a wet wipe, and then I'm gonna put my lashes on, and then I'll be back. I know I said I was just gonna go off camera and wipe the glitter off and put my lashes on, so that's what I did, but I should have told y'all I'm just gonna do my foundation and stuff on camera too. Anyway, because I am. So that's what I'm about to finish doing. It's my foundation, and then I'll come back and show you like the rest of the razzle dazzle for Ariel in this thing. Y'all know the angle is gonna change about 50 times in this thing, but What can you say? Bro. This hair, it's gonna drive me crazy. I missed the little spot right here, but I wasn't trying to draw attention to my zit, you feel me? I already went a little crazy with the blush because baby, she's a mermaid. Like, she's cute. She does the most, okay? So now I'm gonna be going in with the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated Trio. I'm gonna be using the color Oasis and maybe Twilight a little bit, but you know, Oasis comes out like purple. So I'm just using this fan brush and I'm just gonna get it and just go crazy, because baby, I'm just gonna go crazy in both of them because it's hard to pick it up. So actually I'm gonna rub it around that. Hit the nose. It needs to pop and it's not. Ooh, y'all, hold up. I'm gonna use an eyeshadow as a freaking highlight. So I'm going back into the same palette I was using from earlier, and we're gonna use this color. It is called Here For It. We are here for it, girl. Swing my finger around. Oh my gosh, yes, yes. This is what I feel like Urban Decay was going for with their highlight, but they definitely missed it. Y'all, your girl's sinus has been acting up. Yesterday, I was like, oh my gosh, do I have COVID? Like, it's not funny though. This is so freaking pretty. And I'm just gonna use my highlighter brush or fan brush to like blend it out a little bit. Iridescent on these O's. I know that's right. Exactly. We'll tag anybody else. Now we finna get into, oh girl, I'm tripping. I ain't even put it in my inner corner. Y'all, I just be using any brush like at this point, sorry. But this is, it's more of a concentrated brush, but it's still like a blended brush. It can be a little messy. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna be adding jewels to my face. And these are like iridescent kind of, I keep saying iridescent, but these are the ones that like the light hits it and it kind of changes like a different color. And I'm gonna be using lash glue for it to stick. I'm gonna be using this to pick the jewels up, and I'm really just placing these randomly where my highlight is. Now I'm gonna change the size just because I don't want to use all these up. Cause baby, I want these signs to last, okay? I'm gonna go to the second small size and start adding some more dots. So now I'm gonna just like kind of do it like right here in this area. I'm gonna go in with the third to largest ones right here. Gonna go into the smallest one now. This is like where I'm gonna stop on this side, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and then we'll come back for lips and I guess waterline and bottom mascara. Okay, and so this is the scales, I guess. Going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Eyeliner in the color White in my waterline. Tarte Lights Camera Lashes for my bottom mascara. And then the last thing I'm gonna do to my eyes is go back in with the Artist palette, and I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line with that green Anaconda color. So I'm gonna go in with the same brush that I use for my highlight because I'm lazy. Period. The last thing I'm gonna do is the lips, and I'm gonna be using the Mascara Beauty Lip and Cheek color in Dahlia. It's just to give my lips a little pinky color. I'm just gonna go over it with this Lip Salvation Tinted Lip Gloss by Ruby Kisses. I could have lined my lips, but it's really whatever. It's pretty much the finished look. I know y'all see how trash this looks, but I'm not trying to brush out the little bit of color that actually is still in the hair. So yeah, because like look with my hands, it's just brushing off. I'm gonna put the costume on, and then I'll be back to show you guys what the whole look looks like. And don't judge my stomach. Alright y'all, so this is what I'm using to spray paint my little bra thing, and I'm just gonna get right into it. Okay. That's it. Just gonna let that dry. Alright y'all, so I'm about to add some rhinestones to the bra, and I'm just gonna do that using clear nail polish. And yeah, I'm not gonna record it, but I will show y'all the finished product. I added a little glitter, and I did with crazy glue, but it's like I wanted to look like this, so I'm gonna take this Got To Be, hold it from a distance. So you got to do what you gotta do. Period. That's how you work with what you got, okay? This is the finished look with the outfit and all, so I'm just about to tilt it down a little bit so y'all can see what it's talking about. I really feel like a mermaid in it. Oh, I guess I could just make the stand go down a little bit so y'all can see what's really up. The mermaid tail. I will link all of the outfit items down below. Y'all don't want the link to this wig, baby, because just buy a red one, okay? Little fish scales, the red eyebrows. Y'all ain't gonna lie, look, this don't worn off because I had to redo it or whatever. But it's still cute. Look, it'll last through the little party because it's been all day and it's staying on. So follow this tutorial, and hopefully y'all ain't going nowhere because it's COVID and my camera is dying, so that means it's over, okay? Over. Y'all have a safe Halloween out here. Go vote, have a little quarantine Halloween party, and get cute for the gram. That's it. That's period. Stop spreading COVID. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like it, make sure you comment down below, and follow me on Instagram so you can see me post this pic. Post up with Sebastian. I'm just playing. Bye y'all. With the temporary dye on my finger.